Beautiful fillet.
Hi, it's Marissa.
And I'm Lauren. We're testing inventions to see if they live up to expectations.
We're here to answer the most important question.
It's cool.
But does it really work? This product is called the SKINZIT.
Sounds like a pimple popping machine.
Take a moment. It's a very disgusting name, but what it's meant to do is skin fish. I don't think I'll like skinning the fish, let alone working with a fast machine that like is supposed to skin fish really quickly.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna like it at all. I might throw up.
Wow, it's like a like a controller in a video game, like pew, 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 pew.
You put the fish down, and then you just the entire fish.
No, not the whole fish. You don't put the whole fish in there. Just a fillet with the skin on top, and then
People
it'll
buy
separate.
fillets with skin on top.
Lauren,
I don't know. Before operation, please watch short how-to video tutorial. That is a lot of blood. Oh my god.
you know what I'd be afraid to do is get my hands close to this.
Yeah.
Because it will pulverize my hand. Oh, and then there's an important warning and it says remove your hand once the fish enters the unit.
So it looks like the guts are just staying in the blades. Like, how do you clean that out?
Is this dishwasher? No.
Dishwasher?
No, you can't put this in the dishwasher. So we're just gonna get the fillet itself, put it through the machine, and have it separate the skin and the scales from the meat.
Yes. It works on walleye, perch, bluegill, crappie. So,
What? No.
Crappie?
It says crappie. Wow, so it does work on a lot of different fishes.
And crap. So I personally don't think it's going to work or be something that you necessarily need in your kitchen, especially if you can cut the skin off with a knife that you already have.
So I think this product will work. Not only do I think that this will be safe, but I think it'll be a lot faster if all you want to do is fillet a fish and just remove the skin. It'll just zoom right through it. I feel like that's what you want in the kitchen, something that just does the task and does it well. Oh boy, I'm really scared.
We're gonna get skinning.
Lauren, how do you feel about this?
I'm terrified. There's two things, there's like a trigger and then a safety thing.
So you have to press both at the same time?
I watch a lot of Grey's Anatomy, I know what I'm doing here. And you lay it.
On the parchment paper.
This is the tail, so you go towards, oh now I smell it. You go towards the tail, yeah.
So really it's just like freaking a lawnmower. Like we're just gonna mow this thing down. There's no.
That doesn't look safe at all, Marissa. Oh, I did it. This did do a pretty good job, though. I'm not gonna lie.
It
like
did.
you could, if you wanted to, you could go back in here with a knife and kind of clean it up.
But it
would
got
kind
the-
of defeat the purpose.
Yeah, I feel like it got the majority of the skin off.
Yeah. Oh God, no! Don't do that. With
I
your
know.
fingers.
I'm crazy.
It's like rolled in there.
Don't press the lever.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Stop.
It stopped. And then you just peek. Okay, here it goes. Oh.
Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Wait, no, I can keep going.
Yeah, keep going. But I think it's stuck on the side. It started to cut up the side of
It
the fish.
started to eat the fish, but everything's still intact.
We did it! It worked. That's cool.
And it was pretty easy. It was really fast.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
Ooh.
Did it do it?
All the way. Keep going. Keep going.
With the machine?
Oh! That was nice!
Look how beautiful!
Bam! We skinned some fish.
Bam, bam.
And now it just looks like a messy
It
cleanup.
looks really messy. I don't think I like that part. I feel like it did its job. It was
Yeah.
really fast, but cleaning it up is going to be really annoying. If you are not skilled at skinning fish, like random people like us, you can just do it and you get a perfectly skinned fish.
Yeah.
Like, there's no
I'm
skin on
really
that.
surprised. We just skinned 4 fish. And I did not think it was gonna work, but it did, and I'm surprised.
It did. We had some troubles the first time, but I thought it was gonna work, and it did. It worked really fast. It's perfect for those who like don't skin fish that often, which is us. So I think it's a great product.
Yeah, this works.
So was the invention a disaster or a huge success?
Or something in between. Let us know in the comments.
I legitimately thought this was for like someone who gets an entire fish uncut and just wants to skin it. That's why I was like, who wants
it's okay.
this?
It makes sense because you don't eat fish. You're a vegetarian.
I don't get the whole culture.
Look.